Hey everyone, welcome back to 3 Naturals by Jay, your go-to spot for natural hair care tips and styles. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple and elegant bun for natural hair. It's quick and easy and perfect for any occasion, especially simple weekly styling. So for this style, all you need is this simple basic pin tool. You can use a wide tooth comb, you can use spray and anything you need to smooth out the hair. And of course, a little patience and love for your natural hair. I always start with stretched hair, so I go ahead and do the front faux fringe section, which is just slightly twisting it so that it becomes like a faux side bang. So the next thing is part your hair into whichever way you want. Mine's already been parted. The one I'm going to pack into the bun is already there, stretched ready. So I tuck that bit behind my ear just to hold it in place. I gather all my hair at the crown or the middle of your head or lower back, wherever you want your bun to sit. Now, this is the bit where you need to be careful so you don't snag and snap your hair. So I gently twist the ponytail around itself to form a bun, and then I gently tuck the ends, loop it round and take it as if I'm about to do a knot, but it's not really a knot. Then I secure it under my finger there that's holding the bun, and I grab my pin tool and smooth it down, and I gently tuck it in. I promise you there's no snagging, it won't snap your hair. It's very effortless and does not hurt your scalp at all. And there you have it, a simple, elegant bun. If you want, you can go with a second pin, but I usually don't. And there you have it, guys, a simple, elegant, natural hair bun. This style is perfect for work, school, or night out. If you want to slick down your edges, use a nice hair-friendly gel or foam mousse. It's chic, easy to do, and keeps your hair protected. And here it is again, something similar, using just that one pin with a few strands dangling. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural hair tips and styles. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video, which will be more on importance of protein treatments.